Hello everyone! Magandang buhay po sa lahat. Welcome back po dito sa ating channel. I'm happy to share with you my knowledge in mathematics. So sit back and let us learn math in easiest way. Sa video na ito, we are going to discuss about multiplication of binomials using FOIL method and using vertical form. So I'm going to present different examples from easy to difficult using these two methods in multiplying two binomials. The objective of this lesson is to multiply two binomials using distributive property with various techniques like FOIL method and vertical form. So how to perform FOIL method in vertical form? I'm going to discuss it in step by step and present many examples para maintindihan po nyo yung lesson. So bago po ako mag-present ng examples, baka hindi ka pa po nakasubscribe sa channel na ito, baka pwedeng subscribe mo. Huwag ka pong mag-ala, hindi ka magsisisi kasi lahat po ng video lesson ng grade 8 math ay i-upload ko po dito from first quarter to fourth quarter. Okay, so let's start for the FOIL method. So what is FOIL method all about? It is a method or technique to multiply two binomials using distributive property. So FOIL means F-O-I-L. F stands for first, O outside, I inside, and L last. So paano po natin ito gagamitin in multiplying two binomials? Like we have these two binomials, x plus 2 times x plus 5. So again, yung close and open parenthesis indicating this is multiplication. Okay? So now, nasaan po ang first, outside, inside, and last dito po sa ating two binomials? So ganito lang po yon. So yung ating pong x plus 2 dito sa first binomial, x, at yung pong x dito sa second binomial, ito po yung tinatawag nating first. Okay, so first, x times x. Okay, ito po yung first. And then, ano po yung next po ay outside. Or, unahin ko po itong L, nasa taas po kasi L. Ito po yung last. Ibig sabihin ng last, ito po yung second term sa dalawang binomials. Okay? So, yung 2 at yung 5, ito po yung last. So, again, yung first ay ito pong dalawang x. So, first po sa two binomials. At itong last, ito po yung second sa dalawang binomials. How about next ay inside and last? So, ito pong inside, ito pong magkatapi dito. Okay? So, ito pong 2 and x, tinatawag po itong I or inside. And then, sa outside, ito pong magkabilang dulo. Okay, x and 5, pag pinag-partner po natin yan sila, ito po yung outside. So notice, sa ating figure may pattern po tayo. So para po siyang smiley. Okay, so another one na method ng FOIL ay ito po yung parang tuka po ng ibon. For example, ito po yung F. First, again, XX is first. Ito po yung outside. So magkabilang dulo, kagaya po dito kanina. So ang outside po ay magkabilang dulo. Another one, sa baba naman po ay inside and then last. So F-O-I-L. So ito po yung FOIL. Okay, so inside, 2 times x here. And then sa last naman ay yung magkabila. Okay, yung last po ay yung second term. Ito po yung last dito, second term ng dalawang binomial. So ito po ay smiley. Ito po ay parang tuka ng ibon. Okay, so pag parang tuka ng ibon, F-O-I-L sa baba. That is foil. So kapag smiley naman po, first last sa taas, sa baba naman ay I-O. Okay, inside and outside. So paano po gamitin itong foil method to multiply two binomials? Okay, so let's try to apply FOIL method in multiplying two binomials. So ito po yung part A natin. Multiply the following binomials using FOIL method. So we have x plus 2 times x plus 5. Okay, so how are we going to apply FOIL method in multiplying these two binomials? So ang gamitin ko po dito ay yung smiley. Okay, so sa smiley, ito pong kulay blue. Ito po yung ating first. Okay, so first is x times x. So ilagay po natin sa F dito po sa ating FOIL. F ay x times x. And then if you're going to multiply, x times x is equal to x squared. Okay, so nasundan po ba ulit? Okay, first ay x times x. Ito po yon. And then if you multiply, x times x is x squared. And then next po ay ito pong, unahin ko po itong L. Okay, last. So ano po yung last? So yung pong second term ng dalawang binomials. Okay? So what is 2 times 5? lagay po natin dito sa L po dito, 2 times 5, that is equal to 10. So again, 2 times 5 is 10. Then next, sa baba mo naman po tayo, ito pong I. Okay, ano po yung I? Inside. Okay, so ito pong nandito sa gitna, inside. So 2 times x. Lagay po natin dito sa I, 2 times x, and 2 times x is equal to 2x. Okay, and then last, ito pong kulay green, ito po yung outside. So magkabilang dulo po ng ating dalawang binomials. So this is x times 5. So lagay po natin sa O, this is x times 5, that is equal to 5x. Okay, so we have now the product of FOIL, x squared, 5x, 2x, and 10. So lahat po ito pababa, ilalagay po natin in horizontal form. Ito po. So x squared, okay, this one. Then 5x, since this is positive 5x, pag nilagay po natin sa horizontal form, positive 5x will become plus 5x. And then 2x, positive 2x, that is plus 2x. And then positive 10, so that this is plus 10. Okay, so yan po yung ating horizontal form. Okay, mula po dito sa product. So here, ang sagot po natin o yung product po ay bali 4 terms. So actually, ang product po ng 2 binomials ay trinomial lang or 3 terms. Ito po ay 4 terms. So ibig sabihin, meron po ditong like terms na kailangan nating i-combine. So ang like terms po dito ay 5x and 2x. So guhitan ko, 5x and 2x. So you're going to combine by performing the operation. So what is 5x plus 2x? In adding two monomials, copy the variable x and then add the numerical coefficient 5 plus 2. So what is 5 plus 2? 7. So ito po ay magiging x squared. Copy lang. And then 5 plus 2 is 7. And then variable x. So 7x. And then copy or bring down plus 10. So that is plus 10 here. So we have now x squared plus 7x plus 10. Meron po ba po tayong like terms dito? So wala na. Kung wala na, then that is the final answer. So trinomial po yung magiging sagot natin sa 2 binomials. Okay. So we have x squared plus 7x plus 10 is the product of these two binomials. Okay, so how about this number 2 example? X minus 2 times x minus 5. So kanina pareho pong plus. Ngayon naman po ay parehong minus yung ating binomial. So x minus 2 times x minus 5. So paano po gamitin yung FOIL method to multiply the two binomials? So again, gamitin ko po dito yung smiley face. Okay? So again, yung kulay blue, ito po yung ating first. Lagay po natin F. So we have here x times x here. Lagay po natin sa first ulit. X times x, that is equal to x squared. Okay, next. Ito pong kulay red. Ito po yung last. Okay? So last po ay, again, second term ng dalawang binomial. So here, since that is minus 2 at minus 5, pag kinuha po natin, pag i-multiply po natin, ito po ay negative 2 times negative 5. Okay, lagay po natin sa last dito, negative 2 times negative 5. So again, last negative 2 times negative 5. If you multiply, positive 10. Because negative times negative is positive. And 2 times 5, that is equal to 10. Okay, last sa baba po, or next po, ito pong I. Okay, so ano po yung I natin? Inside. So ito po yung nasa gitna na magkatabing terms. Okay, so we have now negative 2 times x here. So negative 2 times x, lagay po natin dito sa I. Okay. So what is negative 2 times x? That is negative 2x. Okay, and then for outside, ito pong x times minus 5 po yun, kaya negative 5. So ang outside po natin ay x times negative 5. Ito po yun. X times negative 5 is equal to negative 5x. Okay. So ito na po yung ating product ng FOIL. X squared, negative 5x, negative 2x, and positive 10. So ilagay po natin yan in vertical form. Okay. Or in horizontal form rather. So ito po ay x squared. Ito po yun. Next ay negative 5x. So this is minus 5x. And then next I is negative 2x. So that is minus 2x. And then sa L last, positive 10. Kaya ito po ay plus 10. So we have now x squared minus 5x minus 2x plus 10. So again, ito pong negative 5x minus 2x ay like terms po sila. So pag sinabi po nating like terms, the same po ang literal coefficient. So if you're going to subtract negative 5 minus 2, what is negative 5 minus 2? That is equal to negative 7. Okay? And copy the variable x. So bring down, just copy x squared minus, again, negative 5 minus 2 is negative 7, and then variable x, so negative 7x, so minus 7x, and then plus 10, just bring down plus 10. Okay, so is this now our final answer? Okay, yes, wala na pong like terms. So we have now x squared minus 7x plus 10. Yan po yung product ng two binomials. Okay? Okay, so how about this number 3 example? So we have x minus 6 times x plus 4. So this time, ang given po na example ay minus and plus. So paano po natin yan multiply? So magkaiba na po sila ng sign. So ganito lang po yon by using FOIL method. So we have, again, x minus 6 times x plus 4. Using FOIL method, gamitin ko po yung smiley face. Okay? So ito po yung ating smiley face, yung kulay blue. That is our first. And yung first term po ay x times x here. Okay? So, lagay po natin ulit sa f. First, x times x. That is equal to x squared. And then next, ito pong kulay red. Last. Okay, L. FL po. And then, we have now, ang last po natin, that is minus 6. So, ito po ay negative 6. Plus 4, ito po ay positive 4. So, pag pinag-multiply po natin, negative 6 times 4. Okay? So, lagay po natin dito sa last. Negative 6 times 4, that is equal to negative 24. So, again, multiplying integers, negative times positive, o magkaiba po yung sign na pinag-multiply natin, ang sign po ng sagot ay negative. Okay? So, next po ay yung ating inside. Ito pong kulay black, inside. So, ano po yung inside natin? Inside terms, negative 6 times x. So, lagay po natin dito sa I, negative 6 times x, that is equal to negative 6x. Okay? At yung panghuli, ito pong kulay green, outside. So, ang outside po natin ay x times 4. So, positive 4. So, x times 4, lagay po natin dito sa O, x times 4 is equal to 4x. Okay, so we have now the product of FOIL. We have x squared, 4x, negative 6x, and negative 24. So again, lagay po natin yan in horizontal form. So we have x squared, okay, this one, positive 4x, so plus 4x. Next is negative 6x, so this is minus 6x. And last, negative 24, so that is minus 24. So ito po yung ating product ng FOIL in horizontal form. So now, we are going to combine like terms. Ito pong 4x and negative 6x, or 4x minus 6x, that is equal to negative 2x, so that is minus 2x. Pag i-combine po natin itong dalawa. So just copy again, x squared and minus 24 here. So kapag pinagsama po ito, ang gawin lang po ninyo, marami pong nalilito dito. All you have to do is subtract the numerical coefficient. So 4 minus 6. 4 minus 6 is negative 2. Kaya ito po ay negative 2 or minus 2 and then yung variable x. Okay? So that is now the product of the two binomials, x squared minus 2x minus 24. How about this number 4? X plus 7 times x minus 3. So ito naman po ay plus and minus. So kanina po ay minus plus, ngayon naman po ay plus then minus. Using FOIL method, madali lang po yan na isolve or i-multiply. So x plus 7 and then times x minus 3. So again, using smiley ng FOIL. Ito po yung ating first f. Again, x times x. And the product is x squared. Then next, kulay red. Ito pong second dito. 7 times negative 3. Ito po yung ating last. So, 7 times negative 3. Bakit po negative 3? Kasi ito po ay minus 3. So, lagay po natin sa plus. 7 times negative 3. That is equal to negative 21. And then next, ito pong nasa gitna. Ito po yung ating I or inside. So, this is 7 times x. So, lagay po natin sa I. 7 times x is equal to 7x. And then last po ay yung ating O, outside. So ang outside po dyan ay x times negative 3. Okay? X times negative 3. Lagay po natin sa O. What is x times negative 3? That is equal to negative 3x. Okay? So meron na po tayong product ng FOIL. We have x squared, negative 3x, positive 7x, negative 21. So paglagay po natin yan sa horizontal form, magiging x squared, negative 3x, so minus 3x, then positive 7x, so plus 7x, and then last po natin ay negative 21, so that is minus 21. So again, ito pong negative 3x plus 7x ay like terms po sila. Okay, so similar po sila kasi pareho pong x yung kanilang literal coefficient. So if you're going to simplify, negative 3 plus 7 is equal to positive 4. So ang sagot po ay positive 4, kaya ito po ay magiging plus 4x. Nakuha po ba? Negative 3 plus 7, that is equal to 4. And then copy the variable x, so 4x. So again, just bring down x squared and then minus 21 here. So that is the product of the two binomials. So we have x squared plus 4x minus 21. Okay, so last example for FOIL method. Pag ganito naman po yung given. So yung numerical coefficient po ng x dito ay greater than 1. Kanina po ay x lang po yung nandito. How about this time? 2x plus 4 times 3x minus 1. So ganito po yung given. Using FOIL method, again, madali lang po iyan. So 2x plus 4 times 3x minus 1. So gamitin ko po ulit yung smiley. So yung ating pong first dito, yung kulay blue, ang first po dyan ay 2x times 3x. So lagay po natin sa F first, 2x times 3x is equal to 6x squared. So paano po nakuha yung sagot? 2 times 3 is 6, then x times x, x squared. Okay, that is first. Next po ay ito pong kulay red natin I. Okay? Or L rather. Last. Ito po yung last natin. So 4 times minus 1 yan kay negative 1. So 4 times negative 1 po yung last natin. And 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. So again, 4 times 1 is 4. And then positive times negative is negative. Okay, next po ay 4i. Inside or inner. So we have 4 times 3x. Okay, lagay po natin dito sa I. 4 times 3x. Okay, this one. And the product is 12x. So how? 4 times 3 is 12. And then yung variable x, nag-iisa lang po, kaya x lang po dito. So the product is 12x. And then last ay 4i or O rather, outside. Okay, ano po yung outside natin? 2x times negative 1. Okay, sa outside, 2x times negative 1. So 2x times negative 1 to multiply, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2, and then yung variable x, so negative 2x. So we have now the product of FOIL. So we have 6x squared, negative 2x, 12x, and negative 4. So kapag ilagay po natin in horizontal form, magiging ganito po ulit. First term is 6x squared, this one. Next po sa O ay negative 2x, kaya minus 2x. Next po sa I is 12x, so positive 12x, so plus 12x. And then for L, last, negative 4, so that is minus 4. So again, ito pong negative 2x at positive 12 ay like terms po sila. Now we are going to combine. So what is negative 2 plus 12? That is equal to 10. Kaya ito po ay 6x squared, copy. So ito pong negative 2 plus 12 is 10. Positive 10, kaya ito po ay plus. And then yung variable x, so 10x, and then bring down minus 4. So that is the product of the two binomials. So 6x squared plus 10x minus 4. Okay, so next method or next form in multiplying two binomials is by using vertical form. So ano po yung vertical form? It is a method or technique used to multiply binomial by a binomial in vertical form. So paano po ba yan? So ganito lang po yon. Let us say we are going to multiply these two binomials x plus 2 times x plus 5. Ito po ay horizontal form. Okay, ang gamit po dito ay FOIL method. So pag vertical form, ito po ay magiging ganito in vertical form. So x plus 5 times x plus 2. So ganito po yung mangyayari. So kagaya po yan ng pag-multiply natin ng numbers. Let us say we multiply 234 times 34. Di ba po, ginagamit natin po sa pag-multiply dito yung vertical form. So, pwede rin pong i-multiply yung two binomials using vertical form. So, paano po yan gamitin? Ganito lang po yun. Pipresent ko po in step by step. Okay, so let's have an example. Multiply the following binomials using vertical form. So, paano po gamitin yung vertical form in multiplying two binomials? So, ganito lang po yun. Number 1 example. X plus 4 times x plus 2. Okay? So, using vertical form, ay ibababa po natin yung isang binomial. So, magiging ganito po. Tatanggal natin yung close and open parenthesis, and then ibababa po natin o pagtatapatin po natin. So, ito po yung x plus 4, ito po yung x plus 2. And then, we are going to multiply just like multiplying two numbers. Okay. So, paano po yung vertical form? Paano po ito multiply? So, ganito lang po yun. Ang unang i-multiply, ito pong first term pareho. X times x. So, pag ganyan po. Okay? So, x times x. Okay? Try ko pong ilagay dito muna yung computation niya. Ito po yun. X times x, that is equal to x squared. So, yung product po ng x times x na x squared dito ay ilalagay po natin sa tapat ng x times x. Okay, lagay po natin yan. Ito po yan, x squared. Okay? So, ang next po ay pagkatapos po ng first digit here or first term, isusunod po natin yung second term pag ganun po yan. Okay, lagyan ko po ng guhit, x times 4. Okay, ganyan na po yung mangyayari. So, x times 4, lagay ko po dito. What is x times 4? The product is 4x. Okay, so yung magiging sagot po ng x times 4, tapat po natin sa 4. Ito po ay magiging 4x. So, bakit po plus 4x ay 4x lang po yung nakuha natin? Since positive 4x po yan, ang operation po ay plus. Kaya plus 4x po ito. Nakuha po. X times x, nakatapat po x squared. And then x times 4, 4x. Since positive 4x, kaya plus 4x kasi naka-horizontal po ito. Okay, next. Since na-multiply na po natin yung x sa dalawang binomial sa taas, multiply naman po natin itong 2 sa dalawang binomial dito po sa taas. Okay, ito po, unahin po natin yung 2 times x. So, ganito po yon. Multiply po natin itong 2 times x. Okay, so ganito po. 2 times x. Lagay ko po dito yung 2 times x. What is the product of 2 times x? Pagtabihin lang po 2x. Okay, saan po natin lalagay yung sagot sa 2 times x dito na 2x? Dito po sa tapat ng 4x. Okay? Okay, so next. Pagkatapos pong i-multiply itong 2 times x, i-multiply naman po itong 2 ulit sa 4. Okay, ganito lang po yun. 2 papunta po sa 4. Okay. So what is 2 times 4? Lagay ko po dito yung 2 times 4. 2 times 4, that is equal to 8. Saan po ilalagay yung sagot ng 8? Okay, meron na pong 2x sa 2 times x. Saan po ilalagay yung sagot sa 8? Okay, dudugtong po natin dito sa 2x. Okay? So, magiging plus 8. So, review po natin. Ito pong x, multiply natin sa dalawang binomials. So, x times x, x squared. Ito pong x times 4 is 4x. So, pag ganun po yan. Gawin din po dito sa 2, multiply natin yung dalawang binomials. 2 times x, 2x. And then, 2 times 4, positive 8, kaya plus 8. So, notice po, pag ganun po siya pareho. Okay? Pareho pong horizontal. And then, we are going to add. Di ba? Pinagpa-plus po natin yan kapag numbers. So, ito pong x squared, wala pong katapat. Lagay po natin dyan, just copy x squared. And then, ito po, 4x plus 2x. So, magkatapat po sila. So, pareho pong variable na x. All you have to do is add the numerical coefficient. So, what is 4 plus 2? That is equal to 6. So, 6, since positive 6 po siya, then gawin po natin plus 6. Okay? And then yung variable x, copy. And then just bring down plus 8 here. So we have now x squared plus 6x plus 8. Okay, is this trinomial? Yes. So therefore, yan na po yung final answer sa dalawang binomials na ito. X squared plus 6x plus 8. Another example, so we have x minus 3 times x minus 5. So this time, pareho pong minus yung given natin. So sa number 1 po ay parehong plus. Okay? So how to multiply these two binomials using vertical form? So again, i-remove po natin yung close and open parenthesis. Ito po yung first binomial, x minus 3. Ito po yung second binomial, x minus 5. So again, multiply po natin yung first term dito sa baba, x sa dalawang binomials o sa dalawang terms sa taas. So we have, guhitan ko, x times x. Okay? X times x, lagay ko po dito yung computation niya. X times x is equal to x squared. Okay? Ito po yan. So yung sagot, lagay po natin sa tapat ulit. That is x squared. And then next po ay ito pong x times negative 3. So bakit po ito negative 3? Kasi ito po ay minus 3. So guhitan ko po x at yung negative 3. So again, x times negative 3. Lagay ko po yung computation dito. So let's become x times negative 3. The product is negative 3x. So, yan po yung product ng x times negative 3, negative 3x. So again, yung sagot po, ilagay po natin dito. Since negative 3x po ang product, magiging paglagay po natin sa baba, minus 3x po siya. Okay, so again, ulit, x times x, x squared, x times negative 3, negative 3x, so minus 3x. Okay, dito naman po sa baba, sa 5 naman po tayo. Negative 5, kasi minus 5 po ito, kaya negative 5 times x here. Okay? What is negative 5 times x? Lagay ko po dito yung computation. Negative 5 times x is equal to negative 5x. Okay, tama po ba? Negative 5x. Okay, so yung sagot po ay tapat po natin dito sa negative 3x. Yan po ay negative 5x. Okay, next. After po ng x ay multiply naman po natin sa 3. So here, negative 5 times negative 3. Kasi pareho po silang minus dito, kaya pareho po silang negative. So lagay ko po dito sa baba yung computation. Okay, here, negative 5 times negative 3. Negative 5 times negative 3 or the same negative 3 times negative 5. So negative times negative is positive. Then 3 times 5 is 15. Kaya ang sagot po dito ay positive 15. Okay. So saan po nalagay yung positive 15 na sagot? Idugtong po ulit natin dito. So this become plus 15 kasi positive 15 po. And then we are going to add. So this one, x squared, wala pong katapat. So bring down lang po dito x squared. And then ito pong negative 3 plus negative 5. What is the sum? So you are adding 2 negative. All you have to do is we are going to add. 3 plus 5 is 8. And then copy the sign negative. So the sum is negative 8. And then copy the variable x. So negative 8. So let's become minus 8x. So tama po ba? So ilagay ko po dito sa gilid yung computation. So paano po ba? So this become negative 3 plus negative 5. So magiging ganyan po yung ating computation. So ito po, negative 3 plus negative 5, okay, this one, we are adding two negative integers. So kapag dalawa pong integer na magkaparehong sign, just add. 3 plus 5 is 8, this one. And then, copy yung sign po nilang parehong negative. So that is negative 8, so minus 8. Okay? And then, bring down 15 or plus 15. So, ito pong x squared minus 8x plus 15, that is now the product of these two binomials. Okay, how about this number 3 example? So, x plus 6 times x minus 2. So, this time, ang given naman po ay plus and minus. So, x plus 6 times x minus 2. The same process using vertical form. Remove the parentheses. Okay, and then we are going to multiply the two binomials. So, ito po ulit, x times x. Lagay ko po yung computation ulit sa gilid. X times x is x squared. Okay, ito po ay x squared. And then next, x times 6. So pag po ulit, x times 6, lagay ko po dito, what is x times 6? That is equal to positive 6x. Okay? X times 6, positive 6x, so magiging plus 6x. Okay, next po, dito lang po tayo sa negative 2 kasi minus 2. Negative 2 times x. What is negative 2 times x? Negative 2x. Okay po, negative 2 times x, negative 2x. Then, lagay po natin dito sa baba yung sagot. Okay? Then next ay negative 2 times 6. So, plus 6 siya, positive 6. So, negative 2 times 6. So, lagay po natin ulit yung computation. Negative 2 times 6, that is equal to negative 12. 2 times 6 is 12. Okay? So, lagay po natin dito. Since negative 12, magiging yan po ay minus 12. And then, we are going to add. So, again, bring down x squared. And then, add po natin 6 plus negative 2. Again, 6 plus negative 2. The answer is positive 4. So, magiging plus 4 po yan. And then, variable x. Okay? And then, bring down minus 12 here. So, we have now x squared plus 4x minus 12. That is the product of the two binomials. Okay? Another one, to master the lesson, we have x minus 7 times x plus 5. So this time, nandito naman po yung minus at nandito naman po yung plus. So pinagpalit lang po yung minus and plus. So paano po yan i-multiply using vertical form? So ganito lang po yon, x minus 7, first binomial, x plus 5, second binomial. We are going to multiply. So how? Multiply ulit natin ito. X times x is x squared. Okay? And then, x times negative 7, kasi minus 7, x times negative 7. What is the product? X times negative 7, pagtabihin lang, unahin lang yung numerical coefficient, negative 7, and then x. Okay? So, negative 7, kaya minus 7, and then variable x. So, next po ay, ito naman, 5 times x. Pareho po silang positive. 5 times x is positive 5x. Okay? So, that is 5x. Tama po ba? 5 times x, 5x. And then, sa last po, 5 times negative 7. Here is the computation. What is 5 times negative 7? That is negative 35. So, ilagay po natin, negative 35 here. So, that is minus 35. Then, we are going to add. So, bring down x squared. And then, how about this one? Negative 7 plus 5. Again, negative 7 plus 5. So magkaiba po sila ng sign. 7 is negative, 5 is positive. All you have to do is subtract. What is 7 minus 5? 2. Okay, 2 po. At ano po yung sign ng mas malaking number? 7 is greater than 5. Ang sign po ng 7 is negative. So ang sagot po ay negative 2. Kaya ito po ay magiging minus 2x. Tama po ba? Again, negative 7 plus 5 is negative 2. So minus 2 and then yung variable x. And then bring down minus 35. So that is the product of the two binomials, x squared minus 2x minus 35. Okay? Okay, so how about multiplying two binomials na wala pong number, lahat po ay variable. So, a plus b times a plus b. So, paano po yan i-multiply? By using vertical form. So, ganito lang po yon. Again, multiply po natin a times a squared. Tama po ba? A times a is a squared. Lagay po yung sagot dito. Then next po ay a times 5. A times b rather, pag ganyan po. So, a times b. So, wala pong number. A times b, pagtabihin lang. Tanggal lang po yung parenthesis, ab. Okay? Since positive ab, lagay po natin dito plus ab. And then next, b times a. Multiply po natin dito sa gilid. b times a. What is b times a? So, siyempre, multiplication, pagtatabihin lang po. So, kapag pinagtabi po natin yung dalawang variables, ang sundin po natin sa arrangement ay yung alphabet po natin. So, ang nauna po ay A and then B. So, kaya ito pong B times A is AB. Ano po? Pwede naman pong BA, kaya lang mas maganda pong pakinggan kapag naka-arrange from or in order po ng alphabet. So, AB. So, AB is A times B. So, positive AB, lagay po natin dito ulit sa tapat. Okay, B times A is AB. And then last, B times B, that is equal to B squared. Okay, lagay po natin positive b squared, kaya plus b squared po yan. Then we are going to add. So, a squared, bring down. Then next, ab plus ab is what? What is ab plus ab? What is the numerical coefficient here? Ang numerical coefficient po dyan, pag wala, understood na ito po ay 1 pareho. So, 1ab plus 1ab is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. So, 2ab. Okay po? Ang i-add lang po ay numerical coefficient. So, 1 plus 1 is 2. And then, copy the two variables ab. Since positive 1 or positive 2 ang sagot, kaya plus 2, then ab. So, plus, bring down b squared. So, that is the product of the two binomials a plus b times a plus b. x squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so magbibigay po ako ng bonus example. We have a plus b times x plus y. So, iba-iba po yung ginamit na variables. So, again, a plus b times x plus y using vertical form. So, paano po yan multiply? Ganito lang po yun. A times x or x times a pag ganon. What is x times a? Ito po ay ax. So, again, kapag pinagtabi natin yung dalawang variables, sundan natin yung alphabet. So, ax po. So, x times a, ax. Lagay po natin yung sagot, ax. Then next, pag ganon, x times b. What is x times b? The product is bx. X times b, bx. So, positive po siya, kaya magiging positive bx here. Okay? Then next, pag ganon po, y times a. What is y times a? Y times a is ay. So, ay po siya. Then next, pagkatapos po ng y times a, y times b. What is y times b? Y times b is by. Okay, so positive po yung by, kaya magiging plus by. And then add ax po dito, bring down. Here, we cannot add bx by ay. Bakit? Magkaiba po yung variable or variables. So, unlike terms po sila. Okay, all you have to do ay ibababa lang natin, pagtatabihin lang po natin dito sa baba. So, plus bx ito, kaya baba po natin plus bx. Ito po ay positive ay, kaya plus ay kapag idinugtong po. And then bring down plus by here. Okay? So, that is the product of the two binomials. O, ganyan po. Wala na pong pwedeng pagsamahin na terms dito kasi lahat po ay unlike terms. Okay? Okay, so let's try an activity. So, sagutan po natin ito. Let's see if you understand the lesson well. Okay, find the product of the following binomials. It's up to you kung anong gamitin po ninyo, kung FOIL method or vertical form. So, we have number 1, binomial by a binomial. For number 2, another binomial times binomial. And for number 3, okay, ito po, 2a plus 5 times a plus 6. So, how are we going to multiply these two binomials? Applying the FOIL method and vertical form. Salamat sa panood, kaibigan. Kung nagustuhan mo yung video na ito at natuto ka, baka pwede mo namang i-click yung like and then subscribe na rin kapag hindi ka pa po nakasubscribe dito sa ating channel.